काँग्रेसीचो फुडारी दिगंबर कामत हाणें आपूण रिटायर्ड हॉट कित्याक आसा हाची कारणां दिल्या। 2017च्या वेंचणुकेन काँग्रेसीक सगळ्यांक परस चड सिटां मेळ्ळी, तरी सरकार स्थापन करपा खातीर आपल्याक पार्टीन विचारूंक लेगीत ना अशें कामत म्हणटा। आपणाक कितल्योश्योच संदी आसल्यो पक्ष सोडपाच्यो, पण आपूण पक्षा बरोबरूच रावलो, तरी लेगीत आपणाचेर डिस्क्वॉलिफिकेशन पेटिशन घातला। इतले करून पक्षा कडल्यान हेच फळ मेळपाची अपेक्षा आपल्याक मेळटा म्हूण ताणें नाराजगी उक्तायली। आतां पक्षाक फुडें वचपाचें आसा काय फाटीं वचपाचें आसा हें पक्षानूच थारावचें पडटलें अशें दिगंबर कामत म्हणटा।
See, if I wanted to take any action, I had lots of opportunity in 2017, 2022. I stayed with the party in 2017 when we had a clear mandate. Still party did not opt for me, nor did ask me whether you can form the government. And we lost the opportunity. In 2022, I was the only MLA who contested the election. And I led the party from the front. Most of the MLAs had gone. 17 MLAs had gone. Still I remained in the party. It was much easier for me. Wow, who would have questioned me that? I go to the people and ask for mandate. Still I remained in the party, led the party from the front. And this is the reward now they are giving by filing some disqualification petition for anti-party activities. What anti-party activities? I am not able to understand. So my entire hard work done for the party for the last so many years has no value in this party. It appears like no. You feel sad after seeing that.